megalayapost.news.
Happy World Environment Day. Happy World Environment Day. Labor Union.
Muslim.
Women Organization.
Muslim.
Ri Lajong.
Muslim.
Chenong Lajong.
Muslim.
Pordua Lajong. Pordua Lajong. Ri Lajong. Chenong Lajong. ICR. Kardem Kulai.
Balajung kai sikipaj ba bat shibentaru ban pene pensai kamai mariang baladon kam bandon lang kajengkit kli karwila jong Farmers Produce Organization Riboy District rengkat kajengit lang bat ka ICAR Umiam bat ka College of Agriculture Kerdam Kulai menta kasengi kilaraki kasengi pene mariang da kajengtung dieng baru ban hikai sikipaj ba halor kajeng koridor ban pene pensa ya kamai mariang ya kani kajeng rakhi la penlong hapur dua hakathan marngar Riboy District hakabala shibenta langru da ka Labor Union na Riboy KSHG bat kiwai harengkat kipaj ba nong snong katay gatan hakani kasngila don rengkat nadu presiden karwila jong Farmers Produce Organization kakong Marian Maring u vice president para laptur udin ka College of Agriculture Dr. Ramsing u presiden ka Labor Union u ba silent starani kirang ba snong kinong yalam ra bat kan thobru kiriu sempang na ICAR Umiam kani ka jingrakhe kam dei tang kata ka jingrakhe ka singkerpang kamay mariang henry kilar kheru ya ka khet bachao abhiyan ka badai ka wei ka thong ka sarkar kami ban penne pensa ya ka subo jong ka khendau ban nom penun kam ya kidawai ki balong hi shibenta bania daya kamay mariang
kumbang isay ong laki laka ngim tip namar bangim long using umlong hakata kajaka ngim tip ukuba umlong hakata kajaka uso yam tra umlong hakata kajaka ngim tip te langba kajing don jong ini madam na po ICR i long i scientist te ngila ban khot ya i ngila ban leira ka kendeu jongi ban pha test te ila ru ban test ya ka kendeu ka badon hapo ka jaka jongi wan jong pi ka jing ipor jong pi ha ka ne ka sni ban penlong ya ka ne ka program ka ba ni khot ka World Environment Day ka ba ni ju rakhe aman laos nem santarik u jun ni chat penlong nakawe ka unit syakawe ka unit aman laos nem ni chat ngisat rakhe mendakas nem ngile hakane ka pordua te hawe pat usnem insale hakawe ke unit haman laki unit hapo kane ka kadong ka tanjungi hapo ka Riboy District jungi te kumba pitip mentakas ngi rakhe ya ka World Environment Day ka ba isu ainuksa mentakas ngi habangi syong hang ne kalong ka ba niyo kal air ka ba khut kalong ka ba pangat mane habangi donalanti kalong shit endre habangi po yang ne kalong pangat lang ba ka jing don jong kini kiding lang ba ka jing rakhe jongi ka jing thung jongi ya ki kiding te ngi deru ban hikai ya ki kun sama jongi ngin pejru ya kaba lasai la sisni kaman sawan ngin hikaya ki ban penne pensa ya kamariang kumno ban sumar ban penkuj tang ta ban thung ru kiding la dengi ot uwe ding ya ban thung spotli te ngide ru ban hikai ban pen inuksa ban ya ki kun samla jungi ki ban sawan lasai la sisni ngimde ban pej tang ya kapa mentang ide ben pejru kapa syakmar
one sha college one sha ICR mo nang tapin sayo ikijingtip kuno ban yadai kini knyang kuno ban pendunai kini kidawai ro nang ta kumno ban ai lada people kam pihak ban ai nomor ba ka sarkar ko judicious and balanced use of fertilizer kamut people kam kini tang ba pidai ban nang kumno ban peron kam kini kijadawai kata kata ban kong kabar kalong ba ngidei ban promote ya ka natural farming hapo college lasdang ya ka jing puli kena jungi tangba kinong rap jungi pat kinong rap jungi kitip nam sipang kata natural farming namar katkum ka jing temu jungi ki ong ba 1% ya ka jaka ngidei ban penkela ka natural farming kinong rap jungi kitip sipang kata kikam ho kitrai kajan long gum ka natural farming tangba buon pat kimpat atip ba Tikini barok ngilaban ya pusat ni akran. Ladang idan ki training prepare laban wan. Badiok ji kai prepare. Mo, tenang tapat. Kidan rokimat baki ong ba ngihapan hikai sepangga integrated nutrient management. Da parang yang integrated nutrient management. Kababot pa habangi ai kinu gisbo e kini ki jingtung jongi. Ngimdei ban perkhat baitang da kadawai. Ngihapan klek lang bat kasbo. Ngihap klek lang bat kisbo awi. Ngihapan ai kini ki green manoring di baki ong da parang gisbo mo. Nang ta ki jingtung prepare balaban ai e kini ki jingbam hapo jingtung. Hapo ka kendo nak bentar jingtung baki he insan.
Of environment, and Dr. Narendra has mentioned, why not daily planting? No doubt, we all are farmers, and farmers always playing role in the environment by cultivating crops, planting plants, so many things farmers they are doing, and they have the great role to keep the environment neat and clean. Same time, we all are responsible to make the agriculture or farming very feasible way, and that's why on 31st May the Honorable Prime Minister, under the dynamic leadership Honorable Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Shivraj Singh Ji Chauhan and the Director General ICR and Secretary there Dr. M.L. Jat, they launched the campaign, nationwide campaign on Khet Bachao Abhiyan. And you know, everything is going to be deteriorate, contamination due to the high use of pesticides, chemical fertilizers, and because of that our water, underground water, as well as the soil are becoming very deteriorate and becoming ill, we can say. And on that our earth and soil we are producing the crops, and again that poison is coming in the crop, and those crops are being eaten by either human or the livestock. And again it is the circle where the different types of disease are coming in the society. So we have to be very, very careful, and that's why the Kheti Bachao Abhiyan, where judicious use of all the inputs has been advocated, and very befitting the guidelines for use of fertilizer, for use of water, for use of every inputs for a particular crop has been released.
Meghalaya Post.news.